Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unlock iPhone 16e on the latest ISO 26.1. I'm going to fully bypass this iCloud account. iPhone locked it to owner and I'm going to fully bypass this iCloud account. You need the unlocking file and just you need to import the unlocking file to the 3U tool. 3U tool is a free tool for flashing, unlocking, and you can also fix other issues. So I'm going to import the unlocking file and click on retain user data and click start flashing. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes depend on your iPhone model, and your iPhone will be unlocked. So question is that where you will get this unlocking file. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number and I will provide you the unlocking file. If you don't have WhatsApp number, you can Telegram me. If you don't have Telegram, you can email us on our email address. Email address is available in below in description, or you can WhatsApp me and buy the unlocking file. Our service is 100% working and a lot of people are buying and working perfectly for them. Also we have unlocking for 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max and 16 Plus and 16 Simple 16. So just you need to contact me and buy the unlocking file. If you need any help, we can guide you step by step. Also you can use SIM card after flashing your phone. SIM card, everything will work fine. You can also use data SIM card, 3G, 4G, 5G, everything will work fine, perfectly fine. If you have a carrier lock, you can also contact us and use our file for the carrier unlocking. So our flashing is almost completed. It will take like little bit time. Voila, our phone is on, and now just follow the steps to activate this phone. Our Wi-Fi is already connected because we have selected retained user data. In retained user data, old settings and data are available. If you see data and privacy, it means old iCloud is gone. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. If you see data and privacy, it means the old iCloud is gone and you can activate your phone. So you will 100% see data and privacy. It will take little bit time depend on your iPhone model and on your internet connection speed. If you need any help, you can contact me and buy the unlocking file. Voila, data and privacy, and our phone is unlocked. Now you can activate your phone. These are the random setting. When you buy the new phone, you have to enter the settings. Follow the steps to activate this phone and then you can use this phone. Everything will work fine and great. If you need any help, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram, or email address. If you have any doubts, you can contact us and ask any information about unlocking. Welcome to iPhone. Voila, our iPhone is unlocked and the old iCloud is gone. You can also enter the new iCloud account here. This is iPhone 16e, which is on the latest ISO 26.1, and our phone is unlocked on the latest ISO 26.1. If you need any help, you can contact me and buy the unlocking file. If you need any help, you can WhatsApp me or Telegram me, or you can email us. Okay guys, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.